Hello friends, I welcome to all of you today in this new video. Today I am going to discuss about the product called Peach Foot Plantificue. So do watch this video till the very end and stay tuned while I will share its most salient features. Also do not forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel as it will boost our spirit to bring many more informative and exciting news for you. So please stay tuned. So as I have mentioned, we'll be talking about a product called Peach Foot Plantificue. Basically, as you can see, I've opened the home page of the product and this is how the product looks like. This is basically a peeling mask for your foot. So as you all know, most of us, it may be women as well as the men, some of their legs have become very dry and they have lots of wrinkles on it. So basically the main motive of this foot peel mask is that it removes all the dirt and all the dryness and makes your feet look like baby feet. They have basically scientifically formulated this product which contains only natural extracts which will exfoliate your feet in such a good way that it will make your foot really soft and very tender. And also they have mentioned on their website that this mask is rich in superfoods ingredients like acacia berries and strawberries, and that this will give you a boost full of antioxidants for your feet. Let's go back. So as you can see, this is the price they have given and the size is 70 ml. It doesn't come more, it doesn't come less than, this is the only size available. As you go down, you can see they have mentioned it is 100% vegan. It means only vegetables and only fruits are used in this product and it is cruelty free. That is, they have not experimented on any animals or any animals and any animal product is not used in this. It is also gluten free. So let's go and see down. They have basically mentioned all the. So let's move forward and see whether this product is actually works or it doesn't. But before moving further, I would request all of you to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. So this brand is based in the United States. And as we go down, let's find out more about the shipping details and the payment, etc. Below they have mentioned all the ingredients used in it and they have also mentioned the guide. You can please look at it and follow. It's also available in different currencies. As you can see, you can select any type of currency you want to do, but first you'll have to make an account. So as you can see here, they've given the shipping info. When you select, it will come order restrictions. Basically they provide delivery, they provide shipping internationally, and if it is within the US it takes basically 2 to 5 working days. If it is in UK mainland, it will take again 2 to 5 days. Other areas it may take 6 days, and in Europe it may take 2 to 5 days. For international orders it may take up to 21 days. So they have also mentioned to exclude the bank holidays and busy periods like Christmas and so on. It may take a bit longer to receive. Then as a return policy, they basically claim that the product is so good that people won't want to return it back. But as we know, all customers have a right to return the product. So they have said that they can cancel the purchase any item within 14 working days of the delivery. They have also mentioned their help email ID hello@plantificue.com. So before making a return, you'll have to mail this email ID. Then they have said that you'll have to return it on the same shipping address as they have received it, and the shipping charges will be deducted, as they are basically stated that if you're returning it, the shipping expenses are deducted and they cannot give a refund. And when they will receive the product, they will check the product if it is eligible for refund or not. If they found the product is used and all, they will not give you a refund. And about exchanges, currently the brand does not offer any exchanges. The refund against your original payment method will be processed upon your receiving. So they do not provide exchange. If you want to return the product, you can return it and you will get a refund and not an exchange. Let's go back. So this is all about the product, and as per the reviews I have read, everybody is satisfied with it, and there is nothing. They have got total 30 reviews on the website as well as on other platforms. They have gotten very good reviews. People have tried it out and also posted on YouTube, and they have a good social media presence. They have on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube with a decent amount of following, as it was launched recently. As you can see, they are all good products and everything is good. They have provided all the information and everything. So with this we come to an end of this video. So as per my conclusion, I feel this product is very nice and it won't harm to try it once. So if you are planning to buy it, purchase it, and please go forward and you can purchase this product and try. And if you have any experience eating this product, then please comment it in the comment section and let me know. So I want to tell all of you all that we read all your comments over every video, so please keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying till the end. Be informed, be safe.